So where is our main container? Over here. So at media screen and max width colon 550 pixels. Open it, and then in that main container we are going to fix the width as, like, let's say minimum width as 380 pixels. Okay, so like this. Now you can see that the minimum width is 380 pixels. It's perfectly fine now. Okay, then what we have to do is, then we have to fix the content now. So content, let's remove the padding. So we had too much of padding previously, so we'll remove that padding to 10 pixels and 15 pixels. Then what we have to do is, let me bring it up side by side, keep it side, and I keep it in the left side so that we can see instantly. Good. Then what we have to do here, dot content dot breadcrumb of the paragraph tag. That paragraph tag should take the font size as 12 pixels. Okay, and then like the top breadcrumb, I think it's already fine, so we don't need to reduce the size and everything. So we can target the next, like these buttons and this h2 tag and all those things. So copy this one, copy this name. Oops, I closed it. That thing should be like paste it. Dot banner content artist left name, that h2 tag inside that h2 tag. That h2 tag should be font size as 25 pixels. We need to make sure that's small enough. Then we need to fix this. Right, we need to fix that right. That right, what we can do is, inside that anchor tag, what we can do, we can say like padding 5 pixels and 15 pixels, and font size is 12 pixels, and margin as 10 pixels. Now I think this problem is solved. 0 and 10 pixels, so it's perfectly fine. Now we need to fix this menu list. So copy it, menu list. We need to fix that menu list. Copy this menu list, and then we need to adjust the padding. I think 5 pixels, and top and bottom 0 pixels. That's good. Then we need to write the styles for our li tag. That li tag, it's having the margin. That li tag, you need to reduce that margin to 5 pixels. And if you feel it's too close for padding, make it 10 and adjust this to 5 pixels. So 10 pixels, it's enough. And for that li tag, that li tag should be margin 0, 5 pixels. It's perfect now. So for this, it's good. Okay, then what we have to do is, LA tag menu list, menu list. We need now. Then what we need to do is when the menu list paragraph tag, we need to reduce the size. Menu list paragraph tag font size 10 pixels. That's more than enough. Okay, and then font size 12 pixels. That's good. And then for I tag font size 10 pixels. That's good enough. And for this, why still it's taking? Okay, it's fine. Oh, come on, keep on closing it. Okay, then what we have to do is now we need to target these styles for our list, audio list, audio list, audio list. So dot audio list, that should be using the padding 10 pixels and 5 pixels. So these are trial and error only. You should spend your quality timing to do all this trial and error for yourself. I already did all these things. That's why I'm just making all these changes by myself. Audio list. Okay, then what I'm doing, audio dot audio list dot songs dot song dot section flex direction column. Okay, now it will gives you the flex direction as a column like this way. Then like then justify the content flex start. Okay, so I think it's because of align items, align the item in the flex start like this. Okay, and justify the content space between. That's fine. Let's see, song name section. Okay, that's fine. Justify content will not work here because it doesn't have that one, so we can make that work for in the inside the section. Inside the section we having the song name. So song name, for the song name we are going to make the width 100%. When you make that width 100%, it will pull to the corner. And in the same way, inside the section name we having the hits dot hits. That hits going to use justify content space between. Okay, and margin left it's going to be 0. And still, why it's not taking hits? Okay, with hits. Keep on. Why I'm keep on closing it? With 100%. That's also will take that perfect thing, and we need some margin top. So margin top 10 pixels. So that will gives you some space over here. So that's perfectly all right now. So in the same way we have to reduce our this picture. So what we have to do is we need to target our picture now. So let me target this picture. So song image, copy it, so dot song image, so dot song image. That song image should use width as 100 pixels now, and make that minimum width also 100 pixels. What about 80? actually this is coming from music player, so we need to update it in the music player. So now our main container thing is done, so let's go to the music player, and here we can do the same thing. Add media screen and max width colon 500 550 pixels. 550, right? Yes, 550 pixels. So here dot song name, song image, it's going to be with 100 pixels, minimum width 100 pixels. Now it's reducing. Okay, then after this what we have to do, we have to we have to bring this top is going out. In the top we're having some unwanted spaces, I think so. In the for the I tag we're having this unwanted space. Yeah, commonly we return this style, that's why. We'll take this margin effect to 5 pixels. That's perfect. So all we have to do is copy the style and paste it here, open it, margin 0 pixel and 8 pixel, not 8, then 6, then at least 5. Yes, 5 is more than enough. Then we need to fix this this one, duration, progress bar, height and width, and this duration. We'll remove this padding first, that will take the complete thing, so we'll remove that padding. Padding unset, so that will unset that padding. Then we have to adjust this progress bar width. So progress bar width, you can say 65%. That's good. Width 65%. So now our mobile screen, it's done. So even if you are playing it, it will work fine. It's working. Now all we have to do is just to finish that right container. So we'll finish that right container from that CSS. So right container at minimum width will finish it now itself. So copy it and we'll paste it here. So for the right menu, the minimum width, it could go up to 64 pixel. Okay, so it can't go beyond that. So we need to bring that content, everything inside here. So let's open up the right menu. So what are the things we having inside the right menu? Let me bring it up to mobile screen. So in the right menu, what are the things we having? We're having this GoPro and all those things. GoPro. Okay, we'll maximize it and we will work this way. First we will finish this big screen, then we'll come to the small